how to remove or off the email signature in your Yahoo Mail account. And okay guys, here the email signatures. So now we can remove or turn off this email signature. So you'll have to do is here on the right side of your Yahoo Mail homepage, click the gear icon and go to more settings here. And now on left side, you can see the writing email. Okay, go to this. And now you can see here the signature. To remove or turn off this, okay, you'll have to do is turn off the switch button on the right side. But if you turn on again, you can see again the signature. So to remove this, you'll have to do is delete this and turn off the switch button. And if you want to turn it on again, your email signature is gone. So okay, you'll have to do to turn off is switch off again the switch button and go back or back to inbox to save. So okay guys, we have successfully removed or turn off the email signature on your Yahoo Mail account using computer.